Hi guys, I'm Tyra Rahman from hashtag Media Point. Next to me, it's a wonderful personality who organized Miss and Miss International Award. So let's ask about her vision and vision और वो female को किस scenario से देखती है. Yes, please.
हम फीमेल को ऐसे देखते हैं जैसे हम एक नॉर्मल घर में थे, वहाँ से हमें एक इंस्पिरेशन मिला कि आप वॉक कर सकते हैं, आप दुनिया को दिखा सकते हैं कि आप क्या हैं. सो आई स्टार्टेड माई जर्नी एट द एज ऑफ 40 and I got inspired with these two ladies, Madhur ma'am and Anshu ma'am, and they gave me that power and courage. Yes, I can do something, and I am a national director this year. So even you can be a part of it, and you can see the glamour world, and you can enjoy this journey all together.
Yes guys, it's a beautiful opportunity for me, for all of us. हम वुमेन जो है वो इंडिविजुअल हैं, डिफरेंट है, स्पेक्टेक्युलर है. लेट्स प्रूव इट.
I won the title in the year 2023, and by that time I have started to get a wings out of it. I'm very happy to be as a national director of Miss Mrs. India this year, and I have lots of things coming up, empowering women and giving them wings to fly as well. Thank you.
This is Anshu Mittal, co-founder, Ashirwad Consultants and Miss Mrs. India International. First of all, a thank note to my media partners and the contestants who have come from far away, my team who has put in so much of efforts for making this event so successful, and I want to give you a surprise, girls, that a surprise we are going to disclose within few months, because still we have 2.5 months, but register soon as possible. We had such beautiful crown holders with us. Mrs. World 2001 Aditi Govitrikar, Mrs. World 2022 Sargam Kaushal, Manya Singh, Sangeeta Bijlani, and a lot of celebrities we have worked on. And again we are planning a very good surprise package for you. Crown is waiting for you. Come soon and grab the crown.
मधु शर्मा, फाउंडर डायरेक्टर आशीर्वाद कंसल्टेंट. सबसे पहले मैं आज का जो प्रोग्राम हुआ है उसके लिए अपने मीडिया पार्टनर और उसके अलावा हमारा जो आज का प्रोग्राम था उसमें मैं सब लोगों को धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगी. हमारे जो कंटेस्टेंट्स हैं, हमारी जो टीम मेंबर्स हैं, उन सब ने बहुत एफ़र्ट करके इस आज के प्रोग्राम को अच्छा बनाया है. एंड उसके अलावा कुछ चीज़ें हिडन हैं, क्योंकि अभी 1 महीना है और 1-2 महीना है हमारे शो को होने में. सितंबर में हमारा शो है. सो हमारी अभी सेलिब्रिटी आने वाली हैं. जैसे लास्ट ईयर हम लोग सेलिब्रिटीज़ लाए हैं. लास्ट ईयर्स में हम लोग लाए हैं मिसेज़ वर्ल्ड, फर्स्ट मिसेज़ वर्ल्ड डॉक्टर अदिति गोवित्रिकर थी. लास्ट टाइम हमारी सरगम कौशल थी. इसी तरीके से हम इस बार भी कुछ बहुत अच्छी सेलिब्रिटी लाने वाले हैं. और बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद सब लोगों का. थैंक यू सो मच.
मिस एंड मिसेस इंटरनेशनल, अ वुमेन विद सब्सटेंस. हमारे साथ एक आइकॉनिक पर्सनालिटी मौजूद हैं जो कि सिंगर बनना चाहती थी बट बन गई फैशन कोरियोग्राफर, एंड शी इज नेलिंग इन दैट. So let's talk about her.
Hello there, this is Tastuba Raisa Raka, and I'm really very happy and honored to be on this platform, Miss International Woman of Substance 2025, as a director of fashion choreography.
आप हैशटैग मीडिया पॉइंट के व्यूवर्स को क्या कहना चाहेंगी?
I want to say that please everyone, आप हैशटैग मीडिया पॉइंट को वॉच कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए एंड सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. Thank you so much.
Anita, my question with you, which thing inspired you to come over here on this platform?
Well, at my age, I wanted to do this since I was a teenager. And now I got the opportunity, so I didn't want to miss it. So I just took up this opportunity, and I feel so good with this team. Mrs. Madhur and Anshu, of course, they've really made me feel very confident for this. So thank you. Thank you so much.
मेरे साथ मौजूद है श्वेता. As a female, as a woman, as a mother and a successful.
Thank you so much. Yeah, my name is Shweta और मैं यहाँ पे हूँ as a mom, as a working professional hotelier, as a duty manager. And here ये जो platform हमें provide किया गया है, it's such a beautiful platform. It is not only providing us to represent the glamour, however also to represent the purpose of living. So here I am to represent each woman have this hidden talent within themselves So here I am, and thank you so much for this.
Hi there, I am Anjana. I am the anchor and TV host of Suman TV, UAE. Actually, I am living in Dubai from past 6 years. I love fashion show, so I am here. I am very happy that Anju has given me this chance to be in this Women of Substance season 8. I'm literally very honored. Thank you so much.
I'm Sabita and I take classes for the kids, and I'm very happy with the kids. I'm really very happy. There is nothing that I don't want to do anything else. I'm really very happy.
Did you admire?
But my lucky charm, Anjana, she's anchor and host of Suman TV. She's just taking me everywhere. So maybe because of her, and maybe because of, I don't know why, maybe it was one more happiness, one more sky, I came here. I came here because I love to apply lipstick. I love to wave my hair. I want to walk. I want that when people claps, I want to make my son proud. I want to become like, मुझे ऐसा बनना है कि जब मेरी बेटी की शादी हो तब वो उसकी वाइफ को लगना चाहिए कि हाँ, मदर इन लॉ मेरी बहुत हॉट है.
I'm Anita Bhatia. I'm born and raised in Dubai, and I've been passionate about walking the ramp or being somewhere in front of a camera at a very young age, but I did not get the opportunity at that time. And then now, when I got the opportunity, I just thought I wanted to take it. I've already walked one ramp last Sunday, which was a lot of fun, and I got in touch with Mrs. Madhur and Anshu. They are amazing women who have actually made us feel like, everything is, we are already a family, and actually I got a lot of, it's so much comfortable to be with them and being a part of Mrs. International.
Hi, my name is Kartika. I'm from Chennai basically, but residing in the proudest country of Dubai, which is very good for the business and for the lot of opportunities back here. I'm here as a pageant and the finalist of Miss and Mrs. International Women of Substance 2025. Being a very proud contestant and the finalist, I am here to make every woman's invisible crown a visible one and a recognized one all over the world. So here I'm very happy and being the great part of the event, and especially the women who are empowering this event, Anshu ma'am and Mathur ma'am, who are exploring us in different ways and helping us in a lot of very good opportunities.